With the
or
mare.
with Joe?
Well, actually both, really, but I didn't do so well with Joe. I think I did better with the mare, because she was a bit too prepared.
I think maybe that shot there needs to go more, we need to cut that I think at this point,
Yes.
and then maybe introduce one of those other shots we were looking at, perhaps from the other side of the towers maybe.
We've been sort of looking at sites, with a view to doing that.
I mean, the good question about how often do you use this bicycle is quite a good one.
Yeah, I think that should definitely
I think
stay in.
there is another one, and of course...
It looks rather close. There's another one.
Later on when I challenge him.
Yes.
Up at the New Dover Road one.